F Sharp presents Ahi Tuna Poke. I have a half a pound of ahi tuna. I'm just going to remove this little outer piece here as it contains quite a bit of sinew, and that's not great for that nice mouthfeel with ahi tuna poke. I'm just going to go ahead and cut these into strips. We're looking for a 3/4 inch dice. If you have anything smaller, it would just break apart way too easy, and anything much larger than that is just going to be a whole different experience, as it'll have a bit more of a chew. We'll just cut off a little cheek of some sweet onion. We're not looking for a whole lot. It's just going to complement the poke. I'd say about 1/3 cup of sweet onion. It's really to your liking. You can totally omit it if you don't care for it as well, but I think it's a nice complement to the dish. Next, we're going to chop up some macadamia nuts. Native to Hawaii is a candle nut, which you can find online, but macadamia nuts are clearly more accessible to everybody. Can have some poke with some nice fresh scallions. We'll just slice some of those up. And then we're going to add a little bit of nori or some seaweed paper. You can find it in different flavors, whether it's wasabi and what have you, but you can just stick to some regular seaweed paper or just omit that as well. It's totally to your liking. Into a bowl, some soy sauce, some oyster sauce going down into our ahi tuna cubes, some toasted sesame oil as well. We'll add in some mirin. And then we'll go down with just a touch of sugar just to round everything out. We have some toasted sesame seeds here. We're gonna add that nori, that seaweed paper, and then we'll come down with our crushed macadamia nuts, those thin sliced sweet onions, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our scallions for that pop of freshness. We want to incorporate all those ingredients by gently folding everything together. That way we don't break apart the fish too much. At this point, you can add in some fresh ginger, some fresh garlic if you'd like. It's really just to your liking, whatever your preference may be. I'm going to take a knob of fresh ginger with a microplane and just grate some fresh ginger into there for just a pop of freshness. Give it a final mix, then we'll plate it up. I have some jasmine rice garnished with a little green onion. Enjoy.